So what is cheese without wine? It is the perfect pairing for good reason. There's so many different BC wines available that pair beautifully with all the different types of cheeses. BC Wine and BC Dairy both have amazing links and information on their websites, and you can read more about that in my blog. So we're going to taste 3 different wines that we're pairing today. Thanks, honey. Starting with Charme de Lille from Unsworth Vineyards. This vineyard is in Duncan in Cowichan Bay on Vancouver Island. It is absolutely stunning. This is a Pinot Noir bubbly, made from 100% Pinot Noir, and honestly their Pinot is fantastic. This is such an amazing wine. It pairs wonderfully well with fresh cheeses. Burrata would be fantastic. This goat cheese is excellent. Quailsgate Dry Riesling is an amazing cheese wine. It pairs perfectly with creamy brie. The wonderful thing about dry Riesling is it has a high acidity. So the creaminess of the brie coats your mouth, and then you take a sip of this and it just cleanses it. Another amazing wine with brie is the Quailsgate Pinot Noir. Brie has this sort of mushroom-like flavors to it, and the earthiness of the Pinot Noir is just a beautiful match. So the next one we're going to talk about is the Cab Franc from Fort Barons Winery. Fort Barons is in Lillooet, so it's way up north. It is absolutely beautiful. They are a pioneer vineyard up there and making amazing wines. It is a must visit. This Cab Franc is an award winner. It is very fruit forward. It is fantastic with aged Gouda, and you're really going to enjoy this. There are so many other pairings to talk about. You go on and on. You can read more on my blog and on the website. So enjoy.